Are you tired of encountering the frustrating method or data member not found error in Excel VBA? This error can be particularly challenging to resolve, especially if you're new to programming or VBA development. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Excel VBA and explore the common causes of this error. We'll also provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and fix it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this error means, why it occurs, and most importantly, how to resolve it. Whether you're an Excel power user, a VBA developer, or just starting out with programming, this video is designed to help you overcome this common obstacle and get back to creating powerful Excel applications. So, what does the method or data member not found error actually mean in simple terms? This error occurs when your VBA code tries to access a method or property that doesn't exist for an object. This can happen due to several reasons, including typos in your code, incorrect object references, or even changes to the Excel object model. Let's break it down further. When you write VBA code, you're essentially interacting with objects in the Excel application. These objects have properties and methods that you can use to manipulate them. However, if you try to access a property or method that doesn't exist for an object, Excel will throw this error. Here's an example to illustrate this point. Suppose you want to set the font size of a range of cells using VBA. You might write code like range, A1, font, size 12. However, if you accidentally type range, A1, fonts, size 12, Excel will throw the method or data member not found error because there's no object called fonts for the range object. Another common reason for this error is incorrect object references. Imagine you have a worksheet with multiple charts, and you want to modify the title of one of these charts using VBA. If you try to access the chart using an incorrect index or name, Excel will throw this error because it can't find the chart object you're referencing. So, how do you fix this error? The first step is to carefully review your code for any typos or syntax errors. Make sure that you're accessing properties and methods that exist for the objects you're working with. If you're still stuck, try debugging your code by stepping through it line by line to see where things go wrong. In summary, the method or data member not found error in Excel VBA occurs when your code tries to access a non-existent property or method for an object. To fix this error, review your code carefully for typos and syntax errors. Ensure that you're accessing properties and methods that exist for the objects you're working with. Use debugging techniques like stepping through your code, line by line, to identify where things go wrong. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to troubleshoot and fix the method or data member not found error in Excel VBA. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on Excel VBA and programming. If you're still having trouble with this error, or have any questions about what we covered today, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you and help you out further. Don't forget to check out our other videos on Excel VBA development for more tips and tricks on creating powerful Excel applications.